So yeah, that's a BMW you're looking at right there. Unfortunately, my Mustang got totaled. And what they did in good regards is I got a rental by my insurance company, and they gave me this sweet little BMW. It's not a bad car. I've been driving it around for like a week. It's a 430 something with an X drive. Getting out of the car now. It's all-wheel drive. It's a convertible. It's very, very nice. Hang on a second, see if I can zoom in here. There we go. It's a very, very nice vehicle. It's very quick. It's sweet. And it's a BMW with an X drive. It's the 430i. There we go. It's a little bit under there. It's all-wheel drive because of the X drive. Shot of the rims there. Like I said, I've been driving this car for like a freaking week, so it's not in the cleanest shape or whatever. But that doesn't matter. It's just a really, really nice vehicle. Now, one of the things I like about this vehicle is the all-wheel drive part. The other thing is it's nice and quiet. The audio system is amazing. And if you look here, it is a convertible hardtop. And let me get back inside of it real quick. Here's the interior again. I got the snow thing there just in case I needed to plow. Crazy electronics in here. Get over here real quick. Where's the oh, it's got that freaky wheel thing. Menu, and then okay, and oh, hang on a second. Let me hit menu again. I'm gonna go and hit this, and I'm gonna go to that. See if I can make that freaking thing pop up again. Oh, here we go. That's awesome. That's mad awesome. But anyway, this is a very horrible review of this vehicle, only because, well, I don't do cars as reviews and everything, and this is just a rental, but it's a very, very sweet rental. I have to admit, look at that red etching over there. Black with the red etching on the steering wheel. That's amazing. There's nothing I can say to hate this car. I can't hate this car for any means, even though it is a convertible in the freaking winter. My car is wrecked in the winter, but I'm just showing this off. Look at it, even shows my car is headed south right now. So I gotta go return this bad boy in just a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna get out of here. It does fit a little low on the body. I gotta admit that. I'm a big guy, and I don't want to deal with something being too low, but this is almost as low as my Mustang. So I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna see if I can get that hood thing. Ah, there we go. Pop the hood. See what's in this engine here. See how pretty they made that. Where's the? How do you get this open? Oh, hang on. Okay, apparently I don't know how to open up the hood. I'm gonna have to edit this out. Well, shoot. I don't know how to open up the hood. So here is the trunk space here. I don't know how to do the actual convertible thing, so you got this little flap down here. I think you're supposed to put it in a specific place. And as for a spare tire, there is none, but this machine actually has the gearbox back here and all the other stuff, which is kind of cool. And I think it's got that battery down there or whatever, because it is a hybrid, which I thought was kind of odd, but it is actually a hybrid too. So it's kind of nice. I'm gonna try the hood one more time. Oh, there we go. Okay, so, and finally I did get the hood open and everything, so here we go, just lift up, all nice and proper, and there's leaves in the engine. Just sitting around somewhere, haven't really been, to lift this every once in a while. You know what, this is a rental, I'm not gonna touch that. Anyway, I don't know what that means on there, but that is the twin power turbo. Like I said, this car has some kick. I like it. And you know, like any of these, at least in my opinion, you don't get the aggressive, mean American sound. You get that mechanical tinkery sound from these other vehicles, these European vehicles with the smaller engines. So it looks and sounds good, as far as I know. I don't know if you can see it's starting to snow just a little bit here. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Hope you guys like it. Oh, and hang on, I can do the pullback thing here where I open up all the doors. A lot of editing. So this is one of those classic shots that I like to do where you just have everything flat out open. You know, all the doors and stuff's open up as much as you can. Like I said, I gotta go give this car back. I found an inexpensive all-wheel drive vehicle to replace it. Well, my Mustang, that is. So hopefully everything will work out well. We'll see what happens. And now let's take some photos. This was a nice little rental for like 6 days or so. Yeah, I got lazy. I didn't open up the other door. Whatevs. Okay.